Be advised, between 6 a.m. and 10 p.m., shuttles run regularly every 5 to 7 minutes. Between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m., shuttles operate on call. During these hours, contact the parking spot directly at 704-398-3776 to request a pickup. For precise timing or during peak periods, it's advisable to use the parking spot's mobile app to track your shuttle. After collecting your bags, proceed to the designated shuttle stop area at Zone 1. Your shuttle will arrive at the off-airport shuttle sign. Look for the parking spot shuttles, which are bright yellow with black spots and clearly marked with the parking spot's logo. Board the shuttle and inform the driver that you are a Turo, Carshare, ParkMyShare guest. As you begin approaching the facility, pull up your host instructions and look for the location of your vehicle and let the shuttle driver know what row and space number your vehicle is located in. To exit the facility, follow the facility exit signs which lead you through the 2 exit gates. Both gates will lift automatically after the ParkMyShare AVI reader reads the AVI tag on the windshield of the vehicle. If you have any issues with the gate access, hit the intercom button to be connected to a member of the ParkMyShare team. They may ask for the number on the back of the AVI tag, your reservation number, or your host's name to grant access. Once you pass the final gate, you'll be able to exit on Wilkinson Boulevard. Thank you for parking with ParkMyShare. Reach out to your host if you require any assistance.